True. Ata Maori e wānau, whānau, hānau, however you want to say it from, whichever region you are from. On the hikoes this morning, going through Starling Park. I got the old Maori chuck gumboots on, to meet. So today's kupu, or today's place name, is one that's close to home. Actually, it is home. Okay, it's a place called Wanganui, Wanganui, or Whanganui. All right, so some people pronounce it Wanganui. All right, there's no O in there. There's no W in there, as the last part is pronounced. Nui. No. Noi. Wanganui. Wanganui. Or Whanganui. Alright, not Nui. You do not pronounce the G in there either. Wanga. No. Alright. So there's actually nothing hard at all in that particular place name. I suppose if you can't pronounce the NG, just think of the word sing, or singing, pronouncing the word singing, and you will be able to pronounce the NG. Alright, that pretty much goes for all Maori kupu, or words, that have the NG in it, or that ng sound. Right, so let's break it down. Yo, repeat after me. Say what? Nah. Anyway, getting back to it. Repeat after me. Wa, nga, nu, I. Alright, so all of those vowels in there, they're all short. But you've got to roll them all together to get the proper pronunciation. Alright? So we do that again. Wa, nga, nu, I. Just say it quicker. Wa, nga, nui. So the nui, the last part, you've got to actually roll it together. Not pronounce each letter in that last part, or else you get nui. Then you'll start sounding like from a different island altogether. Alright? Wa, nga, nui. Wa, nga, nui. Now, you can say it with or without the H. It all depends on which part of the river you're from, which region you're from as well. Lots of debate about that, but I'm not going to get into it. Okay, it's about the pronunciation. Okay, so Wanganui, Wanganui. I just pronounced the G in it. Don't do that. Wanganui, Wanganui, Whanganui, 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 Whanganui. Gee, my hair looks terrible. Gee. Okay, Wanganui, whānau, wānau, hānau, however you want to say it, from whichever region you're from. Joe.